she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican curry chicken step by step. I'm telling you, this right here are gonna be super delicious and so flavorful. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. So this is the word of the Lord. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So in my glass bowl right here, I've got at least just over 3 pounds of chicken. And these are my fresh herbs. Here I have at least 1 teaspoon of my fresh ginger, just over 1 stalk of scallion, at least 2 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, 4 cloves of garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, potato. You need at least a small potato, half onion to 1 onion, and half of my carrot. This is my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice, and this is 2 teaspoons that I crush. That's my curry powder, at least 2 tablespoons, and I'm using Better Pack curry powder. You can use any curry powder to your liking. And these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, and half teaspoon of salt. Okay, you can use any seasoning to your liking. Alright, so now I'm gonna season my chicken. It's already washed and clean. I wash it in some lime juice. So now I'm just gonna firstly add my onions, and this is how I cut my chicken. I remove the skin of the chicken, as you can all see, and you want to cut them, you know, really small, not too big. Add my carrot, Irish potato, pimento seed, fresh thyme. Everything is already washed. Ginger, garlic, scallion. So for my seasoning, I'm just gonna mix it in so it all combine. And lastly, I'm gonna add my curry powder. I'm gonna take my hand and just massage all that seasoning, all those herbs all over on my chicken. Guys, it smells so good. You can smell all the herbs, the garlic, the ginger, the fresh thyme, the scallion. Yes, this is what you need. All those herbs, and you'll have the perfect curry chicken. I'm gonna also add the Scotch bonnet pepper. You only need a little piece, you don't need a lot. It all depends, you know, how spicy you want it to be. For me, I'm cooking for my children, so I don't want it to be, you know, so spicy. So guys, if you don't have the Scotch bonnet pepper, it is totally optional, but the Scotch bonnet pepper add a nice flavor. But I know not many people like spicy food. It's not gonna make your food to be spicy, especially if you don't use a lot. I don't use a lot, I only use a little bit. But if you don't have it, the Scotch bonnet pepper, where you can also use jerk seasoning from the bottle. You can use a little bit in there. That also will give it a nice flavor. Okay, so this is done seasoning. You can leave it to marinate for at least an hour or so. It is seasoned to perfection. Yeah, all done. So guys, as you can see, I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least over 2 tablespoons of oil. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some curry powder, At least a couple of seconds. Yeah, just add it. My pot, I'm also gonna add some garlic and some of my fresh thyme. Gonna leave it for at least 30 seconds, but make sure that you stir it gradually. So after 30 seconds or so, I'm gonna add my chicken. Stir it and leave it uncovered for at least 4 minutes. Okay? So this is what it looks like just after 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it is sauteed and fried just a little bit. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up for at least 6 minutes. So just after 6 minutes, I'm just gonna look on my curry chicken. Look at that, absolutely delicious. Looks so good. So guys, that's the same bowl that I use to season my chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 3.5 cups of hot water from my kettle. I'm gonna mix it in. Now I'm gonna add it to the side. And what you can do, guys, you can taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, you can add a little salt, or you can also add a little bit of your all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add just a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, not too much. Mix it in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn up my stove on a medium to high heat and cook it for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Okay? Yeah. Just gonna cover it up. So guys, my curry chicken been cooking for at least 25 minutes. I'm gonna have a look. Look at that. So mouth watering. I'm gonna allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. It looks so good. As you can see, the gravy is becoming nice and thick because of the potato that I had. The potato add thickness to the gravy. Cover it up, and as I said, I'm gonna leave it for 5 more minutes. So guys, my curry chicken is all finished. Let I remove the lid. The gravy is nice and thick. So now guys, as you can see, I add my curry chicken to my bowl. I'm telling you, it looks super delicious. It is cooked to perfection. You can serve it with some white rice, some rice and peas, some dumplings, some banana, whatever of your choice. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Yum.